The admission at TSM happens with your 10th standard, 12th standard, your undergraduation and your entrance score. You could take any of the Pan-India entrance examinations such as CAT, MAT, XAT, CMAT or the state entrance exam which is called as TANCET. Once we receive the applications, we shortlist you for the further group discussion, personal interview and a written ability test. So based on certain weightages on all these criteria, we rank the students and the meritorious students are offered the admission at TSM. Onboarding of the PGDM students would happen in the month of May and there is a 1-month orientation which is given to the students during this period. So the PGDM onboarding of the regular classes happens usually in the month of June. The other side, the MBA students apply to us with a CAT scores, MAT scores and also the TANCET scores. The onboarding of the MBA students happens in 2 different phases. So one is they apply to us through CAT or MAT and get into the direct admission process, and the other admission is through the TANCET counseling process. So students who are onboarding to us with the Pan-India entrance exams such as CAT or MAT, they onboard us into the campus in the month of July. So students who are taking up TANCET examinations and waiting for their results, they have to complete the counseling process and enter into the campus when the counseling process is completed. So it is almost by the month of September or October that the TANCET students onboard into the campus. Onboarding happens in 3 different phases. So the first batch of students who onboard into the campus for the new academic year is the PGDM students in the month of June, the MBA students who onboard us in the month of July, and the third batch of students who onboard us is the MBA students with the TANCET counseling process. So these are the 3 phases as to how onboarding happens in the admission process at TSM. The postgraduate diploma in management costs you rupees 10 lakh, which is inclusive of the tuition fee for 2 years, the hostel fee, the mess charges and an international study tour. The fee structure for the MBA program is 9 lakhs for 2 years, covering the tuition fee, hostel rent, mess charges, book charges, etc. If you have not taken your entrance examinations, need not worry. So once you apply to us, there is a team out here to handhold you and counsel you throughout the admission process. To join in TSM, you need to apply to us through our website. The application fee costs rupees 1,500. So if you are interested, please apply to TSM.